Hello everyone, this is Shane Norman with Graco, and today I'm going to show you how to change the main Poppet valve in your PM Series meter. You'd want to change your main valve if the meter does not shut off at exactly the preset amount, or if you notice that the fluid extension remains pressurized and fluid continues to flow after you have stopped the dispense. To access the valve, we're going to start by removing the inlet swivel. For this, we just need a medium-sized crescent wrench. So loosen the inlet swivel, and then we want to remove the inlet swivel by hand. So there's a compression spring in the valve assembly. So we remove it by hand so that way the parts stay with us. Okay. Now, with the inlet swivel removed, we'll then remove the inlet strainer and compression spring. And now we can tip the meter up to remove the valve. Okay. There is a little plunger on the valve. So when you replace it with the new valve, make sure that the plunger is installed directly in the center of the valve. To reinstall the new valve, tip the meter up slightly, set the valve in the center of the bore, followed by the compression spring. Now we'll take our inlet strainer and reinstall the strainer into the center of the compression spring, followed by the inlet swivel. We'll compress that compression spring, and we're going to start the inlet swivel by hand. Tighten that by hand until the O-ring touches the casting, and then retighten the inlet swivel firmly. And that's how you change the main Poppet valve on your PM Series meter.